Hello viewers, please join me in acknowledging ancestors and country. This presentation has a warning that if you need to talk to anyone about the material you see in it, 13 Yarn 139276 is a help agency. The research is called Truth Telling in Agriculture. It looks at the transitioning of First Nations peoples' agriculture with introduced farming methods. It's subtitled Sovereignty, Soil and Seeds. This research is motivated and guided by elders past and present and emerging future leaders. It follows free, prior informed consent processes, and it has Indigenous cultural intellectual property protocols. Some of the resources are the Lousy Little Sixpence DVD, Statement from the Heart from 2017, Make a Treaty this time from 1988, and Lieutenant James Cook's Secret Orders from King George III in 1768. Our research examines the colonial agricultural agenda that's intended for our country from 1768. We look at the Darug, Wiradjuri and Yorta mobs, and we look at how their agriculture has transitioned. And then we move to looking at First Nations cultural connections to native seeds and grains in the climate change resistant crops we need in our new agribusinesses. Our initial investigations with the Darug people have led us to findings that in the 1788 to 1970 time frame, which is the invasion to the end of the protection era, there was a type of agriculture called agriculture interrupted, as we've termed it, and it is the removing of farming means from our people and putting them on rations, mainly on missions and reserves, and then bringing in the stolen generation policies. We want to contribute our research to One Basin CRC's Challenge 1 by building the capacity amongst our people by celebrating these success stories of agricultural transitions. We want to make sure that First Nations mobs are being involved in co-design sustainable solutions, and we want to redress past injustices. With Challenge 3, we want to make sure that water supply systems are balanced with agricultural grains and crops overseen by Indigenous people, and we want to see a new Indigenous agribusiness infrastructure put in place to help those changes occur. My contacts are on the bottom of the last slide. If you think truth telling in agriculture can help you make an impact, please let us know.